and that's when we got the big sell-off. So we see that when we get a good counter close below the 50 EMA on the daily SPY, it tends to sell off. So now we back around that territory flirting with the 50 EMA again. I can move my pre-market levels from my day trades today. And let me reset the chart for us so we know what we're doing on Sunday. We got the previous day low right here. This will be Friday's low. And this will be Friday's high. So we know we're looking at on the day chart. But now we broke below the previous week's low, and that was at that 739, 738. But the 736 and 735 was the crucial level of support. If you look to the left right here, you can see the buyer stepped in, pushed it back up, and kind of held it up. But we didn't get that. We got to break down. So what they then gave us was this doji counter that we got today. And on the doji counter, we got the break below the previous day low, and we got the break below the 2-week previous low. So giving us the indication that the market wants to push the SPY down to the 715. That would be the previous month's low back in May. And that will be our next line of support. If we can't hold the 722, and the 736 range with consolidation or a bounce up or bounce down, we would then go down to this previous month low. And its support line is kind of weak. The 2-month support line is way more better, but I don't think we'll probably see that. That's a big drawdown. Possibly could happen, possibly could not. But this is what I see with the SPY. I can see us bouncing off of the 715 level. If it breaks below the previous week low, I can see it significantly bouncing back. But if not, and the market's kind of just cooling and correcting and everybody's just moving positions, I can see the market consolidating and bouncing and whips on in the 222, 236 range, kind of like it did in this range. So that's what I'm saying on the SPY.